Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Wakeman's Life. After a week of travel and covering over 2,000 kilometers, we're almost there. The Daintree Rainforest is in sight, but before we arrive, we still have a bit of a drive ahead and a few exciting stops along the way. This marks the first major milestone of our East Coast adventure, and we can't wait to dive into the world's oldest rainforest and all the incredible surprises it has in store. Let's hit the road.
All right, guys, well, we're waking up. I just banged out a bunch of dishes. Mama's gonna cook us some breakfast, and me and the kids are gonna do a little playing real quick. But first, I wanna show you a little sign here that's on the beach. Crocodiles, jellyfish, and others. Don't see that a lot back home. Wow, what a beautiful beach.
What's that dog?
What is it? Good job.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose it, brother. Oh my gosh, what'd you get? I love it. Can I see?
No.
That boy said no. Let me see. Ooh. Come on to my MTV Cribs, baby. So you're gonna come into my living room and you're gonna fall right into my bedroom. And then I'm gonna bring you into my kitchen and it's also gonna fall into my bedroom. And here's the cockpit. But honestly, guys, being here with my family, 100 feet from the beach, listening to the waves, enjoying that cool breeze, life doesn't get any better than this, does it, girl? Mm. I could have a $200,000 or $300,000 home over my head, but I'd rather be in a camper van in Australia with my family. We're fixing to head to the Daintree Rainforest and take a ferry across, and I am super excited. It's going to be epic. Alright, so on our way to the Daintree, we're passing this little lookout called Rex Lookout. There's a bunch of people here doing some cool stuff. Check this out. That's wild how he's just sitting there in the wind. He's not going forward, he's not falling, he's not doing anything. There's no motor on that or anything. He's just sitting there in the wind with the breeze coming off the ocean. It's so cool. These guys over here getting their stuff set up for their run. The reason why they name it the Rex Lookout is because Raymond David Rex was a advocate for the Captain Cook Highway, and yeah, they named this point after him. How beautiful is it? Woo. Well, that was a nice little surprise. Didn't expect to see that this morning.
No, that's freaking wild.
I'll tell you what, the drive up here from Brisbane is absolutely gorgeous. You got the farmlands for 80% of the way, and then this little Captain Cook Highway is really sweet, right along the coast. Very tight, windy, cliffs on both sides. Really cool. I'm gonna pull over real quick to give Mariah a snack, and we actually stopped at this little bridge, the Mowbray River. Looks like there's some guys fishing up here. People checking some stuff out. Maybe we'll see some crocodiles or get some fishing information. Well, just got some nice information. There's a croc on the bank down there, which is pretty cool. He's a little off in the distance, so I don't think I can get him with this camera. But then also one of the locals said they catch a lot of mangrove jack here, so maybe we'll stop by here on the way back this way. That'd be really cool. Get some bait and come chunk them up. All right, this is the mangrove jack we caught the other day. I'm gonna descale it and we're gonna cook it whole. Phew. So Little cheat code, you got a spoon. Gonna go against the grain.
You kind of rip the skin off.
Just the scales.
Yeah.
And it actually worked really good.
Mama, look at that inside, Dad. You see that inside?
This is our cool little lunch spot for the day. We found this little boat ramp. Hi baby, what's Daddy doing? Fishy?
One side's done. There he is, both sides. Look at the teeth on that thing, Araya.
I want to touch it.
That's crazy.
I'm touching
I want to do a dry
Wow.
mount with it. This knife's not very sharp, but I like to put slits in the body. That way we can get the butter and the garlic and everything else down inside of it. And when you cook it whole like this, you don't miss out on a lot of meat. All right, good on that side. Flip it over, do the same thing here.
We're gonna make some mangrove jack tacos, some chicken tacos, and some corn on the cob. All right, so now for the preparing of the fish, we are going to put some butter down in all of these pieces that Daddy cut open. And then after that, I am going to be putting on some pepper. Get it all up in those cracks. I have some garlic salt, of course, because no fish is naturally, I don't cook anything without garlic salt, to be honest. And then also gonna throw in a little chicken salt, which is like a Australian classic, just cause. Can't go wrong with a little chicken salt. And that's pretty much all I have. So I'm gonna do that, maybe put a little olive oil and throw her on the pan. All right, she just came out of the pan and here comes the big reveal. Let's see how she did. I didn't really know how long to cook it, so I did about 10 minutes on every corner because my pan was not big enough. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the skin just is coming off with the foil. Look at that meat.
Mama, look at
Wow, that actually looks
yummy.
amazing.
That's yummy, Mom. That's yummy in my tummy.
Look at that, guys. That actually looks really good.
Ah,
All right, who wants to try it first?
me.
I knew you would, girl. Is it too hot?
Mama, bye.
It's good? Oh, good.
Bye. Mama. Mama.
Good.
Mama. Mommy.
Like very good or just a little good? Here's your bite, Bubba. Ready? You like it? You like it?
good?
Smell, Mama.
Doesn't smell fishy, that's good.
Yep. Yay, I'm gonna try.
Be careful,
Be
it's
careful.
hot, girl. Best part about doing them whole is you don't miss anything. It comes off that bone so perfect, you literally get all the meat. Like, look at that.
Too
Comes
hot.
right off.
A little too hot. Here, I'll get a smaller piece. Come here, little boy.
After enjoying our delicious mangrove jack, we got a little energy out and then it was time to hit the road again to continue our journey towards the Daintree Rainforest.
All right, guys, we're 4 minutes out from the Daintree Rainforest ferry. We're really excited. Can't wait to see all the animals and all the beautiful plants and everything else. So here we go. You.
I'm ready to see dolphins and sharks.
You want to see dolphins and sharks in the rainforest?
Yeah,
You're crazy.
Sissy, are you ready?
a dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do the river cruise and croc tour. Let's check this thing out. So the first one, we're doing the Daintree River nature cruise, and then at like 2 o'clock we'll do the croc tour. So the kids were free and Mom and I were 38 apiece, so you get 2 cruises. the Croc tour and the nature tour for 38 bucks a person.
Hi guys, welcome aboard.
How you doing? One of the big trees left here on the riverbanks. Said most of the big ones got hauled out of here.
So he just told us to keep our eyes out for some juvenile crocs all around this area is where they live.
Where? 3 years old. Right here. And that crocodile is about 3 years old. He was born during the COVID years. And that everything in the river wants to eat those things until they get about 1 to 1.2 meters long. There's a croc up here! She's high up on the bank, getting some sun. This creek's nice and warm and she's probably loving it. This is her little territory of the river.
Where is it, Araya?
Right there.
How big do you think it is?
This big.
Oh, wow.
Mom.
What is it?
That yellow.
Good job, Papa. Look at that
4 or
thing.
5 years, Mom. Hey, Crocodile, come here.
So we went to Hartley's and that was really cool because we got to see them and the shows and everything like that, but like to see them in their really natural habitat in the wild it's top notch. I love that. That ferry is the only access to the Daintree, so we're actually going to be on that soon.
All right, guys, this is pretty sweet. This place is beautiful. Come check it out, Daintree Rainforest, oldest known rainforest in the world. So we're gonna do the return, which is $49. So that'll be obviously there and back. So you can come and go as you please whenever, just do not come between midnight and 5 a.m. because she's sleeping.
You can literally see the other ramp that we're going to get off at. This feels weird. I really feel so like, I don't know, it feels weird. What do you think?
It feels like we're on a conveyor belt.
Yes, it literally feels like we just walked onto the escalator.
Alright guys, so there's a good chance we can see a cassowary here, so that'd be really cool. And something else I just noticed, looked at my phone when we pulled over and no service, so whatsoever.
So we can't even Google where we're going next.
Guess we're gonna be using that map in your hand, babe.
Ooh, I like that actually. Take it back to old school, baby. I feel like an old granny. My granny, I literally have memories of my granny being in the front seat and my pop driving her being like, yeah, turn here, babe, and then we would always be lost. I think that's where I get it from.
All right, you're driving. All right, guys, we just pulled up the cow bay. We're gonna get ready and go check it out. Sissy's sleeping, so Mom's gonna hang back at the car with her. She'll get her turn, we'll switch up.
Our first stop once we got off the ferry was Cow Bay Beach. The original settlement of Cow Bay was called Bailey's Creek. Some say they started calling it Cow Bay after the wild cattle left from John Moffat's settlement that were seen grazing near the beach. Another possibility is it was named after all the sea cows or dugongs who eat seagrass along this coast. We met some people. They told us that they have been camping on Cape Tribulation and that it was really awesome and they have delicious pizza. And you know Bubba loves pizza, so we're going to check it out.
These creeks that you go by are absolutely gorgeous. Cape Tribby. Beachfront camping, next turn. Hopefully they got a site for us. Let's pray they got a site. So you get this little map. So this is where we're at here. We're gonna come back up this little road here, come up here, and we can camp in any of this green camp area. We got showers, bathrooms, a kitchen, and you can have a campfire. And they say don't swim in the river because there is crocodiles.
Are you guys happy to be at our campsite? Hey Dad, I want to show you something. Look at that sign. Let's go.
We got some coffee from the store for a really good price, and it's terrible.
But I tried.
We just paid for our first campsite in 2 weeks.
We've done really good staying at only free spots, but we made our first campsite purchase and I am not mad. They have nice showers, bathrooms, beautiful restaurant.
At the remote headland of Cape Tribulation, two World Heritage Sites meet, the ancient wet tropic rainforest and the Great Barrier Reef. The dense rainforest reaches right down to the coast, with just a narrow strip of sand separating it from the calm, clear waters of the Coral Sea.
I present to you my first Australian sea bean.
Whoa. Thing's all black?
All black hamburger.
That is so cool, babe. And it's at the Daintree Rainforest. What?
And listen, I've been holding on to it because I wanted to show you, of course. Xander saw me pick it up and he has wanted it. Well, I picked up like 10 other things that look just like a sea bean, but not a sea bean, and he will not take it. He's like, nope. Throw it. He'd look at it, think it's sea bean. He's like, not a sea bean, throw it on the ground.
Good find, Mom. That's beautiful. I can't wait to find my first one. All right, we're gonna go get some food. Everybody's hungry. We want to search some more, but we need something to eat. And I heard they got really good pizza here.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We really appreciate all the likes, comments, and shares. It helps us more than you know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got plenty more adventures ahead, and over the next few days we'll be diving even deeper into the Daintree Rainforest.